Oh, come on, how good was that, right? Yes, lovely,
Yay.
lovely.
Baie dankie.
You understood it.
Oh, it's starting early.
I just wanted to make sure. I don't know.
I don't.
Oh.
That's why
Because
I
you were
love it.
smiling. Like going like...
But it's a fun tune.
Okay.
And I was tapping my... And then I saw you weren't wearing socks, and I thought, that was funny, because it is the evening, and we're in Johannesburg. Welcome to mktv.co.za. You're logged into the right place. Well done. If you've just got here, we've got them on stage. The fantastic Bert Bosch, Amarie.
Almarie. Stripes is a new thing, by the way. I don't know what's up with that leopard print vibe. We're bringing
okay.
stripes back, buddy.
Oh,
Pretoria, 012 in die huis.
you see, the thing about stripes is, especially if they're vertical, they tend to help you look a little bit wider than you really are. And I'm already on camera, which adds 10 pounds.
Fair enough.
So I try to not make all the
Look cool.
fashion faux pas, as they were.
Okay.
But everybody, you've got stripes on as well.
Yeah, and you're also not wearing socks.
I am too wearing socks, you just can't see.
I'm also wearing socks. You just can't see them.
Can't swim.
I just need to point that out. I'm sorry.
Monsignor Bar. It's about claiming the victory. If you say it before someone else, it's yours. Monsignor Bar. Now, thank you for dressing up. Look at that.
I heard it's going to be like a matric farewell vibe because I
That's
did
exactly right.
homeschooling, so I never had a matric farewell. So no one dressed up, so it's kind of sucking me, looking all amazing and offense.
Was die PT short?
Hey, I don't live in Potch anymore.
Oh, we just saw a video back there, and it's going to come on in a little bit. The little yellow poly short.
Yeah, well, if Polly Shorts want to sponsor you, say yes. You say yes with a humble heart.
But
That's
die
the only
nog mooi
sponsor I have.
features
It's the only
were.
sponsor I have. It's like thrift shops, so I'm not going to say no to that.
Do you use any excuse to put poly shorts in your videos?
It's normally a budget thing. Those are really cheap pants. The shorter, the cheaper. It's like, yeah. You wouldn't know because you have to roll up. That thing is way too expensive. That's like, look at that.
I've got way more than I need.
I know, yeah. Yeah, you should cut some off and maybe.
The problem is that I'm perfectly sized for a 5'9" male, but the fashion industry will declare that my waist is slightly bigger than the length of my legs.
Okay.
So
let's blame the designers. Okay.
let's blame the designers because it's all made in China.
Yeah.
What do they know?
Exactly.
They-
How
they-
tall,
they
how
use
tall
these
are
as-
they?
Exactly.
Not at all.
And they use these as sleeping bags, one in each leg.
Well played.
Thank you. I do this for a living. Jean, you're looking very stylish. Apart from, he's rolled up.
Apart from what? Just get it out now. Come.
But you didn't do your hair or anything. Or is that it done?
Yeah.
It's like candy floss in a hurricane.
I don't know what candy floss and hurricane. It's like, isn't it like just like sugary?
No, it
soap
looks
and
like you're
things?
running after it.
Oh, so I'm not the candy floss in the.
No,
in the
your
hurricane.
hair isn't. You can't quite catch it, but it's a valiant attempt.
Thank you.
Round of applause for a valiant attempt. Never has a round of applause been more demeaning.
Funny, but funny.
It's fucking snarks, man.
Hoor nou praat ons Afrikaans. Ah, sy.
Go on.
Die hele tyd van nou af?
Sien jy by die swembad. #TM. Jy hoop kak praat. Oom Bou, hoe lyk dit?
Yes. I'm still
om jou
here.
te sien, man.
I'm still here.
Jy staan nog.
Yes. Ja.
Nog as 'n
Praat
fiks
ek
ouetjie, hoor.
Engels die hele tyd, sorry.
Ek kom Afrikaans, ek kan probeer.
Gooi hom.
I'm going to muck it up eventually. No laughing or ridiculing. Yes, and I'm looking at you, the one in the Y fronts. Yes. Don't do it. It's not nice. It hurts in here. But
Yes.
so talk to us how you guys met because it's actually ironically a good story.
Ja. MySpace.com. Nee, joke. Almarie die song verwerk, Avontuur van 'n Hartbreek wat ons eers gedoen het, sy het dit verwerk uit daai uit. En toe ja, toe stuur dit vir my en toe is dit amazing. Toe wil ons dit record en toe op pad Potch toe na die studio toe.
Sorry, did you know it was amazing? Is that why you sent it to them?
No, I was speaking to Boa, and then he said, "Listen, I want to hear that song because I was doing it for a show of mine." And then he actually wanted to hear a recording, so I gave it to him, and he liked it.
You see, that's what all I've done. I've just stolen from the best. She's done it, and she's on my show. It works, kids.
Maar ek wil net sê, verder vertel, op pad Potchefstroom toe e-mail iemand of toe kontak iemand my op Facebook, 'n couple wat trou en toe vra hulle of hulle wil kan ek met jou dans gebruik as hulle danssong by hulle troue. Toe sê ek soos cool, maar dit gaan bietjie weird wees as jy op 'n rock song wil jou eerste dans doen. Dis nie reg so romantic nie. Toe sê ek cool, ons kan dit altyd verwerk in 'n toned down version en toe is almal gelukkig op pad Potchefstroom toe en toe doen ons dit sommer like dieselfde dag en toe is dit amazing, dit draai awesome uit en die song draai baie mooi, hy draai dit mooier uit in 'n sin, is baie meer, ek dink baie meer mense kan relate met 'n rustiger ballad as met 'n full on rock song. So toe gaan dit nogal kan groot vir ons en dit was awesome, super well done vir almal. Ja.
Dankie, Boa.
I thought that
Ek het
story
gesteel
was
by jou,
going.
maar ek is bly.
Sorry, I thought that story was going a different way.
Really?
Contacted by a couple on Facebook, and I was like, "What? Huh?"
Yeah.
Ja.
And now I
En
understand.
hulle was op carte blanche sondag.
We've got a home video camera and an internet feed. We'd like you to come around for some, let's just call it couples activities. But
Yeah.
it's not that. But you love being on camera. Yes,
Okay.
no, the answer, it's not a question.
Ja, ek
I'm telling you.
Ek hou van acting, ek hou van om stories te vertel en daar's verskillende ways om dit te doen. Of jy kan liedjies skryf of jy kan fisies 'n karakter speel. En ek hou baie van acting en ek dink noodwendig ek gaan the next best thing in TV raak nie, maar die enigste plek waar ek kan act is in musiekvideo's want ek is bevoorreg genoeg om in 'n band te wees en wat musiekvideo's moet ongelukkig ons moet video's sê vir die mense om musiek te hoor. So dis altyd lekker om nuwe karakters te create en te kan skep en want niemand kan vir jou sê wat om te doen nie, want jy is kind of die baas. So dit is awesome om vrye teels te hê. Vrye teels, you know what that means? No. Freedom. Dis lekker om vrye teels te hê binne 'n plek waar jy iets skep, soos video's en stuff, ja.
I understood all of it except for the freedom thing. But thank you for translating.
Freedom tiles. Google it.
Freedom tiles, is that
Yeah.
direct translation?
Yes, totally. Long walk to Freedom Tiles. It's a new thing. It's a new movie.
But you spend a lot of time behind the camera too. That's
Ja.
where you
Ja, ek ons doen music videos. We don't always have the biggest budgets and our friends
hence the poly
neither.
shorts.
Yes, exactly. So dis altyd lekker om saam met jou vriende te werk en hulle ook uit te help want ek glo jy moet aan ander mense glo. En dit is die moeilikste ding is om mense te kry om in jou te glo en jou drome. So dis dit om in iemand te glo is so rewarding. En my goeie vriende Monarch is so 'n storie. Hulle is like 'n amazing band van Potchefstroom af en hulle was die eerste ouens wat gesê het like cool dude, ons gaan die video verniet doen en want ek glo in hierdie liedjie en dis nou awesome vir hulle doen amazing, hulle doen baie goed. So dit gaan maar oor om ander mense te glo en in te koop en ander mense se drome ook once in a while. So dis flippend lekker om stories te vertel met ander mense se liedjies. En die feit dat iemand jou vertrou met dit is nog meer humbling en cool. So dis ja, ek love it om agter die kamera ook te wees en stories te vertel en ja, budget.
Well, Jean, you love being in front of the camera. You adore it. You walked around with your GoPro all afternoon.
Yeah, but it's so cool though. You can just because apparently now I'm looking into it, but it gets that side as well. So it's like a 180 degree.
The idea with it is that I'm always in shot.
Oh,
That's really what it's about.
That's what
Because
it's.
if I'm not in shot, the show falls. What an arsehole.
Just trying it out.
Well, turn it the right way so I'm in shot. Like,
No,
hold it.
This is the right way.
No, turn it to me.
Oh, do you want to?
That's better. No one cares about you. You're an extra in this whole thing. No, I'm
That
just kidding.
hurts.
Does it? I'm sorry.
But
you,
not really.
You took the piss out of me on your show, though.
Yes, I did. Well, you actually did.
I don't know if you guys have seen it. You know, Jean has a little show. It's called MCAR Flits. It's very popular. Give him a round of applause. It's a very good show.
Woo!
That's enough. Stop. But he actually got me onto the show, and this is how he got me into the show. He says, "Kay, just come around. It's gonna be Vicky. You joined us. Hello, love." I'm sorry, but he rings me up and he says, "Kay, come in. I need you for 30 minutes. I just need you to read a few lines into the camera. All I'm gonna say is go and watch MK Flits. What was it? The twerking edition.
Yes.
There will be no further talking about it because it's hell of an embarrassing."
Oh,
You-
you're just going to leave it there now?
Well, okay, go ahead.
I thought you were giving a sample.
No, there's no sample.
Oh, no sample for the people. Okay.
No, you can go watch it. And you'll understand why I'm taking the mickey out of Jean. But I do love Jean, and I cuddle with him when he's not looking.
when I'm not there. That's really cool.
So you guys on Carte Blanche next week. Nice. Super excited about that show.
I wait for him to get up in the morning.
This
and
room is way too open.
I wait for him to wake up in the morning and then I just go lie in the same space on his bed. And I can feel where he was breathing.
I got nothing.
And I'm just quiet. It's just why are you pulling in the face?
I don't want to know what you do though. It's
And then
weird and
I'm
awkward.
actually wearing your socks.
Is that where it went?
Yes. These are the good ones.
Oh yeah, the ones that I bought last week.
Yep. I'm wearing them in for you. You can thank me later. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to hear some more Bo Bosch? Almarie? Yeah? Come on! Would you like to play us a few more tunes?
Yeah, if that's all right with you.
I'd like you to. I'd very much like you to. You're very good.
Thank you.
Please be very kind. One more time. Bo Bosch.
So the next song is about my favorite character in the Bible. His name is Petrus. He walked on water, and he didn't have a camera, so he couldn't Instagram or video it. But I'm just gonna take his word for it. But the song is, and by his word I mean you know whose word. The song is about insecurities and about how we as humans sometimes don't want to pursue certain things, or just how we doubt ourselves. Jij sien alles, jij sien al mijn fouten raak. Elke keer als ik zie het maak. Elke keer als ik mijn liefde stak. Jij hoort alles, jij hoort als mijn ziel aankraak. Elke keer als ik mijn rug op je draai. Elke keer als ek jou verraai, ek kan nie op die water loop nie. Ek twyfel te veel in myself. Ek kan nie op die water loop nie. Ek verdrink eerder saam met jou. Wonder hoe jou werke werk. Deel jy uit soos ons mooier vra. Ons verdien wat ons bedien. Haal jy asem oor my hart. Ons liefde bekyk teen ons smart. Ons gedagtes dans met ons hart. Ek kan nie op die water loop nie. Ek twyfel te veel in myself. Ek kan nie op die water loop nie. Ek verdrink eerder saam met jou. Baie dankie. Die volgende song se naam is Duivel Dans. En dit is die eerste song wat ons geskryf het as stralige kinders na ons break gevat het. We gaan so. Sonnesak in die skadu bly. Relevant staan ek gereed om 'n antwoord te kry. Die waarheid maak jou vryer as wat jy wil wees. Bestaan ek hier met 'n hart vol vrees. Jy dans met die duivel in jou hand en 'n engel draai in jou oor. Maar jy stuur nie aan hom nie, stuur nie aan hom nie. Jy dans met die duivel in jou hand en 'n engel draai in jou oor. Maar jy stuur nie aan hom nie, stuur nie aan hom nie. Ek het jou eerste gesien.
Ek sou jou nooit laat gaan.
Ek probeer nog steeds om jou te kry.
By die einde ek
Wag vir my, ek wil by jou wees. Ek sal onder tot ek ophou leef. Jy dans met die duivel in jou hand en 'n engel draai in jou oor. Maar jy stuur nie aan hom nie, stuur nie aan hom nie. Jy dans met die duivel in jou hand en 'n engel draai in jou oor. Maar jy stuur nie aan hom nie, stuur nie aan hom nie. Wie sit die ligte van die stad aan? Wie luister soms as dit afgaan? Jy het probeer. Jy het probeer. Wie sit die ligte van die stad aan? Wie luister soms as dit afgaan? Jy het probeer. Jy het probeer. Jy het probeer. Jy het probeer. Jy dans met die duivel in jou hand en 'n engel draai in jou oor. Maar jy stuur nie aan hom nie, stuur nie aan hom nie. Jy dans met die duivel in jou hand en 'n engel draai in jou oor. Maar jy stuur nie aan hom nie, stuur nie aan hom nie. Maar jy stuur nie aan hom nie, stuur nie aan hom nie. Baie dankie. So, die volgende song gaan oor my gunsteling mense. So, hy's kind of my held. Sy naam is Nelson Mandela. Kind of a big deal. Hy is my gunsteling persoon vir die volgende paar redes. Een is hy het lank op 'n eiland gebly en Kurt Darren het 'n liedjie oor 'n eiland en jy kan nooit verkeerd gaan met enigiets op 'n eiland nie. En hy het in Invictus gespeel. Oh nee, dis Morgan Freeman, my bad. Hoe weird is dit dat Morgan like die ou Mandela speel se van is Freeman. En Mandela was nooit regtig 'n free man nie. En Mandela se stem klink soos dubstep, dis die ander ding. Kan nie stry met dit nie. Nee, ek joke. Ek's 'n regtig groot Mandela fan. Oor sy amazing vermoë om te kan vergewe. Hy was lank in die tronk en hy het uitgekom en hy het president geraak en hy het nie wraak geneem nie. Hy was nie into like wat noem jy dit? Justice? Wat is die woord? Revenge. Hy was nie into revenge. Yes, like sorry, homeschooling. Hy was die hy het glad nie wraak geneem nie. Hy het net ja, dis die krap ding van homeschooling. Jy's hoofseun en jy's naby aan die skool, maar dis baie slim nie. Maar Mandela het 'n amazing vermoë om te kan vergewe en dis iets waarvan ek nie dink hy so goed is nie. En sy storie is net so profound vir my. Gewoonlik doen hy die song saam met my, maar hy's siek. Hy het 'n show by hospitaal en blykbaar is dit nogal siek daar. Maar ek is regtig 'n groot fan en dit gaan net oor vergifnis en die chorus sê net sweef soos 'n vyso en hy gaan so. 'n standbeeld in die middel van nêrens, opgerig vir 'n held van ergens, om te wys daar iets nog hoor is, wat dit die moeite werd maak om nou te glo dat daar hoop is, sonder al die vrese en in my diepste wense staan Nelson se lese. Sweer soos 'n vleishou, ver sonder opbou nou, vir dit wat goed en reg is, sonder dat daar bloed moet vloei, sal daar gesoening kom, sal daar genesing kom, jy moet net bereid wees om gewoon te word, die pyn en lyding waardeur hy moes gaan om ons te bring waar ons vandag is, 'n groot deel van sy lewe se steel, maar dit keer hom steeds nie, hy te stel met liefde in sy hart en 'n vuis in die lug, en wys hy lese, sweer soos 'n vleishou, ver sonder opbou nou, vir dit wat goed en reg is, sonder dat daar bloed moet vloei, sal daar versoening kom, sal daar genesing kom, jy moet net bereid wees om gewoon te word. Sweer soos 'n vleishou, ver sonder opbou nou, vir dit wat goed en reg is, sonder dat daar bloed moet vloei, sal daar versoening kom, sal daar genesing kom, jy moet net bereid wees om gewoon te word. Baie dankie.
Hi, I'm Kay Oliver, and you're watching MKTV. You've obviously made some pretty decent decisions so far in your life, like clicking on these videos in the first place. And remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter at MKTV_, and like the video. You do already. You kind of love it. If there was a button for love, you'd be pushing it multiple times. So all of these links along the side here, they're all interactive. And if you didn't know that yet, you probably don't spend enough time on the internet. Too much time working. Subscribe to our channel, check out our websites, and click here, roughly here, for more. We'll see you at the bar.